Reached the Ghanaian and I could not find the place. Until a brother point me in the direction. Boom, Heisha. Him said this place sell bubble tea and I never tried bubble tea yet. But I shall be trying bubble tea today. Amount of tea where bubble I could not choose one. So I just tell them to give me the last one what them said to the last customer. And when I look when the girl was serving my shoes, them both it down. I was not prepared for what was to come. What was so cool, let's see in the cover. How cool is that? Bubble tea was ready and it was looking good. Had to make my way over to the supermarket to get the item. All I walk, I was admiring my bubble tea. Reaching the supermarket and the brother tell me I need a mask. Shaving cream. So while I go for the mask, might as well try my bubble tea.
Alright.
Now the tea was hard. What really stand out is these little bubbles. Bubble really add to the tea. Soon give you a review. I headed back to the supermarket. So I was looking for a special fruit. Them peel garlic catch my eye. Yeah, tell me some people buy peel, yeah, my banana. My granny would have roll in her grave.